Welcome back to the channel and welcome to this Power BI case study, which is HR analytics in Power BI. So in this case study, we'll be building a dashboard and a couple of reports after analyzing our data set. So today is day 37 and we'll be starting with a case study to continue our journey, and actually we'll be doing this case study to implement all what we've learned so far from day 1 till today's date, to day 37. So the first thing we'll be doing in this case study is to connect to the data set, or probably I would say import the data set and perform some EDA, which is exploratory data analysis. We want to understand what this data set contains, how many columns we have, how many tables are we working with, what type of reports should we be building, what type of analysis we'll be building, what is our demograph of the data set, probably how many employee or employers are in the company, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's get back to learning.
Hi, I'm Jess, and I'll be your instructor on this HR analytics case study. So what is a case study? A case study enables you to apply your skills. You won't be learning any new concepts. Instead, you'll be focusing on using the skills you've learned in previous courses and practicing them on a real-world problem. Below you can see the prerequisites we suggest you take before completing this case study. Before we get into analysing the data, it is important to understand how the end-to-end report development process works. There are 4 key steps when developing reports in Power BI: building your data model and analysing data, report design, preparing to share your report, and then sharing your report with your stakeholders. This process is for report development only and not necessarily for data analysis. In this case study, we will be focusing on the first 2 steps. In step 1, we will focus on 5 key areas: requirements gathering, connecting to data sources, data transformation, building the data model, and writing your initial DAX measures. In step 2, we will focus on 3 key areas: branding, defining